Hello, everybody. Yeah, I'll burp. I'll be burping. Duh. I can't sing that whole song while burping. I would fucking throw up. Sure, I will be attempting to destroy everyone's earbuds today. That is my mission. Earphones, earbuds, eardrums. Wow, I know it wasn't that great, but it was pretty loud. It was a short one. It was a shoddy. It was a shoddy. Oh, yeah. Damn it. I will never stop until your earphones refuse to work. My burps are my mating calls, so that's how I operate. I just burp, and I get what I want. Mating call. Bam. Boom. Done. Yeah, I feel gassy. I'm drinking fucking Coors Light. Fucking animal urine, basically. Beer, soda, water. Sometimes I can just like smoke a little bowl, drink some water, and just like this. Yeah, I get the hiccups all the time from burping. Or like, I have to burp while, like when I get the hiccups, sometimes I have to burp like in between the hiccups. Y'all, I'm not burping for gifts. Like, if you're just gonna gift me, like, gift me. That's totally cool. But I'm just being me, okay? I'm not a fucking machine, dude. Like, I'm a human being. Put me in a fucking traveling circus and put me behind a cage already. Crying out fucking loud. Hey, it's okay, man. Like, I get it. I'm not trying to hate or whatever. Because, like, I truly, truly love you guys. And I'm just, like, here for the people, you know? And I keep telling people that. I'm just here for the people. I'm just here for the people. Because, like, you guys want the best? Okay, well, here I fucking am. Let's go. Like, but I'm not a goddamn machine. Sorry, I keep dropping the GD. I'm not a friggin' machine, bro. If I'm gonna force them out, then it's either gonna make me throw up or I'm just not gonna be worth y'all's time on here because I'm gonna, you know, it's not. And if I'm in the mood, like, don't get me wrong, if I've eaten something crazy and I've had a few drinks already and I hop on here and I have another one, I'll probably make an ass out of myself and I'll probably be burping a lot, but like, geez, I don't know. Shit. It is what it is. What else can I do? I can breathe. I can walk. I can talk. I can smell. I can see. I can kind of think. I don't know, I am a woman, so there's only so much I can do, right? Sometimes if I'm being honest, like, I'll feel a burp coming out and I'll just be, like, struggling with my phone, trying to get the fucking app to open to record it, and it just turns into a freaking disaster, so I'll ban him if yeah, yeah, you gone, bro. Did you see that? Oh, whoa. I'm fucking not doing that right. Did you see that, meow meow? You're fucking gone, bro. How do I block your ass? Balak. Bye bye. Hope you have fun. Never seeing you again. I hope you make other accounts and come ask me more about throwing up. I love that shit. Just come back. Oh, we'll see you. Well, I know we'll see you soon, motherfucker. Bye bye. Bye bye. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 S because he likes to gift me. Like, so dumb. All my burps are dedicated to you. Would you like to gift me? No. Babe Nash, y'all.